Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hiba Khalid, registration number SP21-BEL-009. The experiment that I'm going to explain today is Newton's law of cooling. Objective of this experiment is to draw the cooling curve and verify Newton's law of cooling. Application of Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling is useful for studying water heating because it can tell us how fast the hot water in pipe cools off. A practical application is that it can tell us how fast a water heater cools down if you turn off the breaker when you go on a vacation. How long it takes for a hot object to cool down at a certain temperature. How to find the temperature of a soda placed in a refrigerator by a certain amount of time. The equipment required for this experiment is copper calorimeter, stirrer, wooden box with a clamp and a stand, a wooden lid having a hole in the middle, thermometer, stopwatch, hot water of about 70 degrees centigrade as it is given in the question. After this, we will start the experiment by using the virtual lab experiment website. For the experiment, we will click on Start Experiment and we will choose the material, that is copper as given in the question, and water. We will start the heating because we need the temperature of the water at 70 degrees centigrade. We will wait until the temperature of the liquid reaches 70 degrees centigrade. We will stop heating on 70 degrees centigrade. And as we stop, the cooling process starts. We can see the rapid decrease in temperature with time. But as time goes by, the decrease in temperature slows down. This shows the process of Newton's law of cooling. We will note down the readings of temperature at certain time periods for later. We will get the cooling graph, the cooling curve of this experiment. We will put all the values in the table to get the tabular data. This is the MX Excel graph of this experiment. After this, we will gather all this data into a lab report by starting off with my name, equipments required, the procedure, objective, theory, statement of the law. We will also put the values of tabular in the tabular form in the lab report. After that, we will add the pictures of the curve of cooling and the graph of MX Excel. After that, we will write the applications and the result. That will be it for the lab report. The result of this experiment is the cooling curve of the liquid is plotted. The temperature falls quickly in the beginning and then slowly as the difference of temperature goes on decreasing. This agrees with Newton's law of cooling. Thank you so much. That is it for the experiment.